Hey friends, it's Marie from Lady Mercantile. I'm in the office today working on a few new designs for my book stacks. And I just thought maybe you guys would want to come along and see what I was working on, okay? So I have already created this one. This is a really popular stack in my shop. It's Our Story, Our Life, Our Home. And what I did was I added this cute vinyl decal, This Is Us, to the top of the book stack. And then I also added a bigger bow and a little more greenery, and then obviously our twine that I put on all of our book stacks. But I don't know, it gives it a little extra something and just makes it look really cute and makes it really pop. So I'm going to show you guys how I applied these decals, okay? So let me see here. So what I did was I created this with my Cricut in my design space, and I am going to be offering these on my Etsy shop. That way, in case you already have a book stack or maybe you have something else that you want to apply this little vinyl on, it will be available for you to purchase online with instructions on how to put it on and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this next set that I'm working on, and then I'll show you how I apply this, okay? So I have got this set right here. I've already stamped it. This is for my sweet friend Kara that's in Missouri. She doesn't know I'm sending this to her, but I just thought it was so cute. Her last name is Lawrence, so it says the Lawrence family. And then I found this cute little house stamp at Joann's, and I just thought it was so cute. So I added that to it as well. So I've already stamped and painted, and then also glued each individual book together. That way they're not shuffling around whenever they go through shipping. So, okay, I think we're zoomed in a little bit better. And I had to put this craft paper underneath because it was just kind of blurry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. And this is what you'll do if you order one of these. You just kind of peel the clear part off of the back, and sometimes you just got to give it a little extra scratch to make sure that all the pieces come off correctly. So see, so then this, you can just throw that away, but there's your clear vinyl. And what I'll do is, just before I press down, I'll just kind of line it up at the bottom part of my book, and then you just smooth it out. Okay, and what I'll do is I will include like a little popsicle stick or something for you to be able to rub this vinyl on to your book with, okay? If you have a Cricut or a Silhouette, then you might already have these little scrapers. Or you could even use like your debit card or credit card or whatever. So you just want to go over all of the black outline. That way, when you pull the clear piece off, everything is sticking to your book and not your clear backing. So, and you just want to go slow, okay? Because you don't want to rip your paper, and you want to make sure everything comes off nice and smooth. And just go slow. See, that one was not all the way down, so then I just go back and just rub back over it. Pretty easy. And just keep pulling. And there you go. And then this you can throw away too. And so it's all nice and stuck on there, nice and pretty. Look at that. And I mean, really, you can position this wherever you want. I just thought it looked really cute on the bottom part of the book because we're going to do a ribbon and our greenery, okay? And so what I did, I've already got my bow made, and then my greenery already put on here, okay? And then I've got some extra ribbon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of trim these edges here. And this is what I do. So I kind of layer it over, and then I flip it over. And you can kind of adjust where your ribbon's gonna line up on the bottom of the book. That way your edges of everything is nice and clean. And I have my little glue gun, I just put a little bit of glue, okay? And just be careful, because I don't know how many times I've burned my fingers with these glue guns, so just be extra careful when you're working with these things. And then I just kind of put my other piece, and I'm going to trim that too. Everything to have clean edges. That way it looks really nice. Okay. And then just put your little ribbon. And you can use any ribbon that you'd like. I like the buffalo check. It's still really popular right now. All right, okay, see? And then you just flip that back over. And I've kind of noticed, but I like for it to kind of be at an angle up here at this corner. So this is how I'm gonna glue it on. So that way it's a little more kind of like hanging over the side too, okay? I'm just gonna flip this over, add a little bit of glue, don't burn your fingers, and just kind of layer it on there. And you don't want to cover up your decal, okay? I mean, a little bit is fine, but I try to do it to where it's at an angle so it's not covering the vinyl. And you just hold it here for a minute, and then it'll dry. You can kind of just adjust like your bow a little bit. When I ship these, I do let my customers know, you know, that it might be a little flat whenever they get it, but all they've got to do is just kind of poof it up again, and it'll be fine. And since I glue everything together, it pretty much keeps its shape, and I package everything with tissue paper so that it doesn't get damaged. So here we go. Look at how cute that came out. And the bow just adds a little extra something, the greenery, and then the vinyl. I mean, I think it came out really cute. So it just adds a little extra something. So if you liked the video, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. I think that's YouTube. Or you will start following me on Instagram, and hopefully maybe I can design one of these for you and your family. Okay? Take care.